Okay, so this is Taipa. This is kind of like the downtown Taipa. There's a theater, hotel. There's that yellow is like a fire station. Next to the fire station, that little yellow one. We're basically gonna walk right in there, and I'm gonna kind of show you what's around here, and we're gonna go through this thing called a dog alley among all the squatter stuff. Okay, one moment, I'll be right back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Before we go down that little alley with all this squatting stuff, let's kind of show you there's all the tall buildings in the background, and over here there's kind of another road, kind of a thoroughfare one way. All these cranes, they do all the storage for all these cranes. There's about 10, 11 cranes, a bunch of box cars there, look like who knows what is in there. Over there is a school, that green and yellow building. And what we're gonna do is go into this little squatter area, and you can kind of see like all the little squatter stuff. And we're gonna go into it a little bit, and gonna navigate over to that direction over that way. So this is kind of check it out on the way. So yeah, this is like kind of makeshift stuff. So you can see all the walls and stuff like that. Somebody's bedroom right there. And then there's more on this side as well. So this side there's even more of it. So yeah, I don't even know what's all in there, but we're gonna go through it and we'll see what's all around in here. So yeah, this area is funny because Taipa's quite an expensive area, but there's this whole area that's just kind of more squatty. What's this one? Hotel. Vietnamese hotel. That name looks like it's Vietnamese. Huh. So you got this and this. All kind of makeshift. More stuff there. So, okay. So this is kind of interesting. And I guess what we'll do is maybe we'll call this one after this name. So we have a little name here of the street. Pobashao de Kok Chok Ka. So that's what all this looks like. It looks like that. It's kind of cool. And we have all of this right here. We have all that too. Looks kind of interesting. Somebody's dog is there. And then this whole street looks like it goes kind of it goes to that spot right there, but we're gonna go all the way down here. And then this is Povao Shao de Chok Ka. So let's go check it all out. It's actually quite a busy little street too. Got the little cars. So you got these big banyan trees, and then all this stuff is kind of the same, right? And that kind of stuff too. And it looks like there's more of it all the way down here, which looks kind of interesting too. So we're gonna go all the way down. So yeah, this is kind of interesting street. And this one looks like it's more like construction, like I don't know what it is exactly. Then we got it's like kind of a mechanic shop. Tires. And it kind of goes right up against these nice apartments too. And you got a little parking lot in there. Yeah, so I think someday all that stuff will be more like this. There's cranes over there too. So I think they're building new apartments over in that direction. And you can kind of see this whole little makeshift thing, so it goes all the way down like that. And this one goes into Caminho das Hortas. So we're just gonna follow this one up. It's basically a different street, but we're just gonna kind of want to take you all the way to the green building up there, so you can kind of see the context of it all. So yeah, this whole little area, there's like bricks, so I think it's for the city. This part's for the city. That part looks like more squatters, and then you have like the tall buildings over there, and then that one is Grande Pequeño. And then there's our school, University of Macau used to be there. or over there, I think. So at the beginning, I pointed out to that yellow building, I believe. So that yellow building is the fire department. So we're gonna get a little closer to that. Then we'll kind of come out to this rotary as well. So let's just kind of cross the street a little bit. Then we're gonna come over here. Then we're gonna end it shortly over here. That has a big billboard that says you can't max out. And over there is the fire department, that yellow building. And now we're kind of right in the middle of everything. So this is all normal stuff, but they had that little area that someone saw a squatter. So it's kind of interesting. McDonald's. Yeah, here you go. So here's kind of the main street. So now you can see it's just all buildings, right? So yeah, I don't know if it's really a squatter area, but it's kind of like all this kind of makeshift apartments, such thing. But the prime real estate is incredible. So we're gonna try to get across, you know, kind of give you some more context once we get to the other side. If we can get to the other side. So that's where we're at, was over on that side. So we're gonna try to come around a little bit. Give a little context. McDonald's. And there we go. So that's our context. So we were basically just in that little area over there. So there's big apartments here, big apartments here, big apartments here, and definitely up above as well. They're pretty much everywhere, except for that little gap, and then there's a bunch of like what looks like squatter houses. So anyways, we'll end it right there.